Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a comparison between two giants, and that is IBM SPSS and STATA. Now, data nerds, researchers and stats lovers, today we're comparing two heavyweight champions in data analysis, IBM SPSS and STATA. Which one is right for you? Let's break it down. When it comes to ease of use, IBM's SPSS is super beginner friendly and menu driven, while STATA has a steeper learning curve and is command based. When it comes to what they are best for, IBM SPSS is best for social sciences, business, and surveys, while STATA is best for economics, medical research, and econometrics. When it comes to pricing, IBM SPSS is expensive because it's subscription based, while STATA is more affordable because it's just a one-time purchase. When it comes to flexibility, IBM SPSS is great for point-and-click users, while STATA is more powerful for custom scripting. When it comes to visualization, IBM SPSS has basic but polished charts, while STATA has highly customizable graphs. And lastly, when it comes to support, IBM SPSS has strong corporate backing, while STATA has active user community and forums. So what's my verdict? Well, if you want simplicity and corporate support, go with SPSS. But if you need advanced stats and don't mind coding, STATA wins. So which one do you prefer? Drop a comment, like and subscribe for more tech showdowns.